Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can buy hosting from WordPress from HostGator, or how you can get hosting from HostGator. So one of the very first steps to setting up a website is buying a hosting plan. Buying a hosting plan is not difficult at all, but most newbies find it challenging to understand which web hosting is the best choice, which plans to buy, and how to make a purchase. So in this video, I will help you to answer a question related to what a website owner needs to know when buying a hosting service for his website. So, if you're completely new to hosting for your site, I recommend you to watch this video. So, in this tutorial, I will be using HostGator as an example. If you're new to HostGator, it's one of the best WordPress hosting services available. I will also tell you the discount coupon, which will help you save money on your hosting plan. So HostGator offers many plans, but for new website, WordPress, static PHP, shared hosting offers a good start. So in this video, I'll be buying HostGator's baby plan for 1 year. The baby plan offers unlimited everything and is especially perfect for any blogger who would like to host more than one website. So buying a web hosting from HostGator with maximum discount, how you can do that? So HostGator's hosting services charges are usually based on the package you are buying. The cost of hosting increases with the level of package you buy. For example, a cloud and dedicated server are the costliest forms of hosting, followed by VPS and then shared hosting. So then for beginners, I always suggest buying a shared hosting package due to the low cost. So let's get started with your beginner guide to purchase a hosting server. So first of all, you need to go to the HostGator's website, and on the home page you can click on the web hosting in the navigation bar, or you can also follow the link in the description. So then you have to select HostGator plan. So on the next page under the baby plan drop down, select 1 year or more. I suggest booking your hosting for at least 2 years. So let's talk about the hosting plan that HostGator offers. They offer like Hatchling plan, which when you want to host only one website. So baby plan is when you plan to host more than one website. So I highly recommend baby plan. So then there is business plan when you need a dedicated IP. So if you then you have to select your domain name. If you already own your domain name, so you can select the domain part and you can click on I currently have a domain name. Otherwise, you need to buy domain from HostGator. Remember, HostGator charge almost $15 per domain. I would suggest buying a domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other registered data host use domain for cheap cost. So, and you can use that same domain on the HostGator website. So you can use that domain, placing it in the field which says currently have a domain name. Then you have to select the hosting plan. So here you can select the hosting plan you want to buy, and by default it would pick the hosting package that you have selected in step one. What really important is the billing cycle. My suggestion is to get the hosting for 24 to 36 months period. This is the last page where you will complete the purchase of your HostGator account. So you can change the duration of hosting from here, select the username for your account as well as security pin. So reason being, as you increase the tenure, overall cost decreases. Moreover, in the next step, you will find a discount coupon worth 30% of total bill. This is your only chance to get the discount on your purchase. So I will tell you one thing. No hosting offers a discount on renewal. The only way to get discount in the is at the time of your first bill. You can also learn about this on my earlier video, how to save money on hosting renewal. So now let's talk about billing info. So in the billing info field, you need to give your address and phone number. I suggest that you double check the information, making sure it is correct, as they're going to call you on your provided number to verify the intended purchase. So this is ensure the security of your account. You can also select your terminal such PayPal or credit card. If you select PayPal on the next page, you will be redirected to payment page. So in the additional service section, ensure you uncheck everything. Most of the paid add-ons are not worth as we have the complementary fee alternative. So you have to then add the coupon code and then click on validate. This will give you flat 30% on your total order. So, but below the billing info, you can see the complete details of your order. Before you move ahead, with the order, be sure to verify the order. So then you have to, once you're satisfied, you have to click on create an account. Depending on your payment method, you will be taken to PayPal payment gateway or the successful order placed page. So in about a minute, you will receive an email from HostGator confirming your order, and within an hour, you will receive a call with your new hosting account details. So I hope in this video will help you purchase a process of hosting. And if you're confused or have any question, feel free to let me know via comment section below. So if you need any help regarding setting up the website on HostGator, I can help in that case as well. So there will be no additional cost for the viewers of this channel. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any notification from our upcoming videos. So thanks once again, and have a nice day.